guys, welcome back again to it's the month of July and this is my juice month and my detox. I'm going to be making you guys a tea here that you could have in the morning and at night. So if you want to see what my teas consist of, come on and let's get going.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's go over our ingredients and the things that you're going to need to make this. But first of all guys, I want to make sure that you know you have to have this tea in the morning on a full stomach. So that means that after you eat your breakfast, then you drink this. And at night time, you want to make sure you eat your dinner, make sure your belly full, and then you go ahead and you drink your tea. So let's get into the ingredients. Now, you're going to need your cinnamon sticks. And we all know that cinnamon sticks is good for cholesterol and blood pressure and diabetes and all them things there, right? You're going to need your green. Now, green tea have a powerful effect on your body and it improves your health. So, green tea is a must-have. Now, we're going to have our turmeric powder. Now, turmeric powder is a plant and is a part of the ginger family. Turmeric powder is a little bit stronger, but turmeric and ginger is giving the same. Turmeric and ginger together works wonders. It treats all kind of medical problems. So you must have turmeric in something where you eat or drink. Now, the trick to this, I'm going to add a little bit of hot pepper. Just a pinch of that you're going to put into your tea. So let's get going. And don't forget your honey to flavor this thing up. Okay guys, so we are moving on. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put your green tea in. And put your water in. You want to go ahead and drop your cinnamon sticks in. And your ginger. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Half a teaspoon of hot pepper. A teaspoon of honey. Okay guys, so you want to have this sit for about 5 minutes. Let it sit and soak up the ginger and the cinnamon sticks, because that's where all them nutrients going to come from. So let it go ahead and sit guys, and that's going to be that's going to take care of that stomach and give that flat belly, and the health benefits is to the. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe guys, another great one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.